How to kill bumblebees with home remedies. While bumblebees help pollinate a flower garden, if there are a large number of them, they pose a stinging risk to anyone who moves too close. If you'd like to put your mind at ease and kill the bees, there are home remedies that may help you avoid chemical-laced sprays sold in gardening stores. Always wear protective clothing when you're around bees, and if their numbers are higher than what you can control or they become aggressive, immediately call a professional. Things you will need: 1/3 cup liquid dishwashing detergent, bucket, 1 can brightly colored soda pop with high sugar content, small bowl, 3 teaspoons dishwashing liquid, 5 milliliters neem oil, 2 milliliters insecticidal soap, garden sprayer. Pour on remedy. Pour 1/3 cup liquid detergent into a bucket. Add 1 gallon of water to the bucket. Pour the mixture over any holes in the ground in which the bumblebees may be burrowing. The detergent kills any hidden bees without harming plants or pets. Bait remedy. Fill a small bowl with the soda. Add 3 teaspoons of liquid dish soap to the soda. Place the bowl as close as possible to the problem area affected by the bumblebees. Spray remedy. Place 5 milliliters neem oil and 2 milliliters insecticidal soap in a garden sprayer. Pour 1 liter of warm water into the garden sprayer and secure the top. Spray the mixture directly onto any problem bumblebees, using extreme caution.